Hello everybody. In the last video, we had taken the plan and elevation of a point. A point is a single unit that does not have any dimension. That means it does not have any length or breadth or width. Now the next stage of a point is a line. A line is a point which travels in a certain direction up to a certain dimension. So in this case, this line is AB, which has traveled from point A to point B for a distance of 20 mm. And we are going to make the projection of a line in 3 stages, which will go one at a time. Now, taking for the top view or the plan or front view or the elevation of a line, if we are able to locate point A and point B, then joining these two we can derive the line. This is what our strategy is going to be. This is the XY line, this is the vertical plane, this is the horizontal plane. We are going to translate this situation into a top view or a plan or front view or an elevation. Let us understand the condition of the first line that we have drawn in blue. This is line AB, which is parallel to the vertical plane, which means it is equidistant. Point A and point B are equidistant. That means they are 10 mm away from the vertical plane. The line is standing on the horizontal plane, which means it is point B is touching the horizontal plane, and the length of this line is 20 mm. These are the conditions with which we will draw the plan and elevation of this line. This is the line XY. Now we have a line which is 20 mm long and it is touching the horizontal plane. So if I was to look from this direction, I will see the elevation as the complete line of 20 mm from point A and from point B. But if I was to see it from plan, I would see point A and point B overlapping, since the line is perpendicular to the horizontal plane. So I will see a point out here. So where will I start from? I will first start with the elevation. I will make a line perpendicular to the horizontal plane, which is 20 mm away from this thing. Then I will take the projection from here and at a distance of 10 mm I will make this point. This is A, this is B. It is this is line AB. It is 20 mm long and it is 10 mm away from the vertical plane, and with this I have got the front elevation or the front view and the plan. The naming of the line was simple when it was in elevation, because I can see A separately, B separately. But in case of the plan, point A and point B are overlapping. Therefore, how will I do the naming? Point A is nearest to the eye, point B is the farthest from the eye. Therefore, A will be written on top, B will be written on bottom. Let me just add the rest of the writing work. So this is our condition, which is condition number 1, where the line is perpendicular to the horizontal plane and it is at a distance of 10 mm from the vertical plane and the length of the line is 20 mm. This is the second condition. Line AB, which is 20 mm long, is perpendicular to the vertical plane. The line is placed 20 mm above the horizontal plane and point A is touching the vertical plane, which means when I will make the line in my front view or the top view, the line would be actually touching the XY line. This is the XY line. Our line is perpendicular to the vertical plane. So if it is perpendicular to a certain plane, it will be visible fully in the other plane. So in the horizontal plane, this line AB will be fully visible. Point A is touching the vertical plane. So we will make a line 20 mm long touching the vertical plane. This line is 20 mm long. This line is 20 mm above the horizontal plane, So I took 20 mm dimension, took projection, and this is where the front view, looking from this side, I will see B and A overlapping. Therefore, I will have a point here. In my top view, I will look down, I will see point A and B as a line here. The front view is a point, the top view is a line. This is the top view and a dot overlapping point B and A is the point. On the vertical plane, I see this line as a point where point B is closest to me, point A is far away from me. Therefore, in this case, the naming has become BA, unlike in this case where A was closer and B was far away. So what are the things that we have to write in this? XY line, vertical plane, horizontal plane. I will first make this line AB, which is in top view. It has a length of 20 mm. From here I have taken a distance of 20 mm, made a dot and named it as BA, since B is close to me, A is away from me, and this is the second condition that we have taken care of. Now let us understand the condition 3. In this case, there is a line AB which is 20 mm long. It is 10 mm away from the vertical plane and it is 20 mm away from the horizontal plane. So it is away from both vertical plane and horizontal plane. In condition 2, it was touching the vertical plane. In condition 1, it was resting on the horizontal plane. So in the third condition, it is now away from both the planes. Since the line is parallel to both the planes, I can start on whichever plane. So I can start either on vertical plane or horizontal plane. Let us start with vertical plane. I took a line AB equal to the length of 20 mm and placed it 20 mm above the horizontal plane. 20 mm above the horizontal plane, this line was made. It is parallel to the horizontal plane and it is parallel to the vertical plane. Then I took down projection from point A, took down projection from point B. Since the line is parallel to the vertical plane, both point A and point B are 10 mm away from the vertical plane. I got these point A and B at 10 mm distance and I just joined the 2 points and I got line AB in the top view. Let us revise this situation. There is this line AB which is parallel to both vertical plane and horizontal plane. This line AB is 20 mm above the horizontal plane and 10 mm away from the vertical plane. I first made the line XY, identified my vertical plane and horizontal plane. I have started from the front view. I made the line AB 20 mm away from the horizontal plane. Then I took down projection from point A and point B. The line is also parallel to the vertical plane. So I took distance of 10 mm and drew a light line here. The crossing of this blue line and the light line here identified point A and point B. By joining point A and point B, I got the top view. So this is the third condition of the line.